Hi, Cameron here from Capital Machinery with a Brobo upstroking high-speed aluminium and non-ferrous saw. Great for all your processing requirements of aluminium, including cutting aluminium profiles. The machine has a large cutting capacity. The machine is fitted with 2 vertical clamps, and also available is optional horizontal clamping. The saw can miter cut in both left and right directions, up to 90 degrees either way. The clamping heights are adjustable depending on the height of the material. The operator's control is fitted with a 2-hand control for safety. The guard is fitted with a safety interlock, so the door must be closed at all times for operation. The machine has an emergency stop button fitted to the operator's panel that shuts the machine down instantly. Also, the machine is fitted with a convenient blowdown gun, which is to clean down the machine or components. Cutting speed regulator is on the side of the machine, which controls the cutting speed of the blade. The machine is assembled using only quality components from Europe, such as Schneider, Omron and Wiemann Pneumatics. The air supply is fitted with a moisture separator and lubrication unit. You can buy online or you can contact us at Capital Machinery Sales for more information.